Hey, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your videos. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this because I do make YouTube tutorials and I add music to maybe my intros, sometimes my outros, and yeah, people want to know, how do I do it? So I'm just going to show you. It's really easy. So let's get started. So right now I'm in iMovie. I'm going to be showing it to you using this software. You can do the exact same thing using majority of the softwares out there, like Premiere or Final Cut, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just different keys that you're going to be using. But let me just show you using iMovie. The first step that you're going to do is find the music file that you want to actually use. So I'm going to go into my Finder. I'm going to look for the song that I wanted to use, which is Save Me by Meek Mill. Okay, look at all these other random things I have. So you're gonna drag the song over that you want to use over to the software over here. So I'm gonna drag it over. It's going to load. So it's dragged over. This is a song. It says it's 4.5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is just test to see if the song works. So I'm gonna just play it. Yep. This is my footage. So this is one of my outros. So I just put at the end of my videos, website designed by Encore. And you would have to take the song and drag it to where you want it to start. So I want it to start right here when it says website designed by. And then it's way too long. So in order to trim it, you just either go to the end and pull it all the way back to where you need it. Boom. Or you could just cut it. So for some people that have, let's say you're talking at the end of your intro and you want the song to play while you're talking and you want it to like fade in, I will take this little, this little dot right here. It's the fade option. So it's going to fade gradually. Let me show you how. See, it's getting louder. Okay, so it went from lower to its full potential. So it starts down here and it goes up. And then you could do it vice versa for your intros. You want it to start, let's say, loud and then get more quiet as you start talking. So you would just do the opposite and just take this little dot. And then when you play it, starts off louder. And then it calms down. See? And then you just start talking here. So that is pretty simple. One more tip for people who need this for YouTube. Another question I get asked is, how do you not get copyrighted? So the trick is to either use music that is copyright free or royalty free. You can find it on SoundCloud or just Google it, or even YouTube Studio has royalty free music, or use songs like this. This is a Meek Mill song, Save Me, and make sure your clip is under 10 seconds, and then you would just loop the clip. So to loop the clip, you would just copy it, paste it, and then just keep looping it basically. So I'm going to show you how it sounds. Let's see. And you'd have to have a good ear and stop it, cut it, then loop it, like at the beat that you want it to continue looping so it sounds decent. You get what I'm saying? So that's just a timing thing. So yeah, I guess I showed you like this is how I add music onto my videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, just look at my info in the description box. Feel free to email me, send me a message on Instagram. even leave them a comment on this video, and I can answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching my video, and yeah, have a great rest of your day.